into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back for another video. Today's video is going to be a full day of healthy eating, of what I am eating in a day. This video is a collab with my new friend Heather from a Catholic mom life or wife life. I can't remember. Mom life, I think. I recently met Heather via the internet and started watching some of her videos, and then we discussed partnering up for a collab, and I just want to share her with you guys because she's passionate about motherhood, she's passionate about homemaking, and her channel really reflects that, and I think you guys will enjoy her content. So I will have her link down in the description box for you guys if you want to go and check out her channel. And if you're coming over from her channel to mine, welcome. My name is Ashley. It's nice to meet you. I hope you'll subscribe and stick around if you like what you see here. So we decided we were gonna share a full day of healthy eating. She is mindful of her health, just like you guys know that I am. And so today, that's what this video is going to be. I'm just gonna show you guys what I am eating. We have a busy day planned. We're gonna be out of the house most of the day. And so I have like made a salad the night before. It's also grocery day, so we're running pretty low on a lot of groceries, and so we're kind of having to make do with what we've got, which I think is kind of a good thing to show you guys in this video. So anyways, I'm excited to share today's video. It's been a long time since I did a video of what I eat in a day, so that's what this video is going to be. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these food related videos. As you guys I'm sure can tell, I've tried to incorporate more groceries, more hauls, more food content for you guys. I heard you loud and clear when I surveyed you guys that that was one of the videos or like areas of video that you really enjoy and you wanted me to make more of, so I've been working on it. So I hope you guys can tell. So we're just gonna jump right in. I'm about to have some breakfast now. I'm gonna keep it really easy, and I'll show you guys what we are having for breakfast. Like I said, I am running low on groceries, so I am making do with what I have. I am gonna have a Greek yogurt. It's the lower sugar ones that Costco recently started carrying, or at least new to my area, and I really like them. Half of a bagel with a little bit of peanut butter on it, and then I'm making myself my second cup of coffee, which is an Americano. So that's just the 2 shots of espresso, and then I pour in 6 ounces of hot water to the Americano. So now that's just espresso and water, and then I just will give it a little splash of half and half. And that is coming from my new espresso machine over here. I have it linked. I love it. It's amazing. So that is what I'm having for breakfast. I've already got dinner started. When we are low on groceries or it's like grocery shopping day, then I usually will make like breakfast because we always have those ingredients. So in here is like a breakfast crock pot casserole type thing. In the bottom is some shredded hash brown potatoes. You just put them in frozen. Then I browned some turkey sausage with a whole bag of spinach. So then I put that in, and then you take about 18 eggs and scramble them with a little milk, and you pour it over and then season it with pepper. And I don't use salt, but I think it said that you could do that. And then mix in like 2 cups about of shredded cheese, and it makes like a really good egg and breakfast casserole. So that'll be cooking all day on low. And then I also made some Kodiak cake. That's like the protein pancake, but I made them into muffins. These are pumpkin flax. So that is what dinner is gonna be tonight because it's grocery day, and we're gonna be gone all day, so I wanted to get that in the crock pot. So I'm gonna sit down and have my breakfast now, but this is what I'm having today. Getting ready to head out, and I just filled up my water bottle. I put in 2 packets of the True lemon They're like crystallized packets. I ordered them off of Amazon. I love them. And there's nothing bad in them or artificial flavors or anything. So they're really great to just flavor your water. So I have my 32-ounce water bottle. I got this white one at Christmas time. I'll have it linked on Amazon if you guys like it, but I really like the white. So anyways, all ready to go. We're gonna head out and I'm bringing my water with me. So we are on our way to the park. It is 11:30 and I'm gonna go ahead and eat this apple on the way there. I'm getting hungry, but I packed my lunch, so I'm gonna eat this in the car to hold me over.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty.
We left the park now, and before I head to Costco, I am going to have my protein bar. These are my favorite protein bars. These have been featured in pretty much every video I do. I eat one almost every single day, and I just love them. So that's what is next for me. It's about 2:30 right now. Guys, it's about 4:20 and the camera's out of focus. And we just got back from Costco, so I went ahead and resisted my urge to get a Starbucks on the way home, which has always kind of been my after Costco reward. And I made myself a non-fat latte and just put some cinnamon on it. That is a huge reason why we got the espresso machine, because we need to cut back on Starbucks, and like coffee, sometimes like you want a strong tasting espresso. So went ahead and made that, having these little popcorners. They're basically like rice cakes. Got them at Costco. Refilled my water for the 3rd time, so that'll be like 96 ounces for the day so far, not including coffee. So I'm doing really good on my water, and I'm just gonna have a little snack to hold me over until dinner, which I already showed you guys what we're having for dinner, but I'll show you what that looks like all plated up. So here is what is for dinner. This is the breakfast hash casserole that I did in the crock pot, and then just one Kodiak cake muffin that I made and some blueberries. And so just gonna keep it really easy with a breakfast type dinner, but lots of protein and the veggies. The spinach cooks down a lot. So this is what we're having for dinner. You guys, I just got changed into my jammies, and I am going to have some of my favorite tea. I bought quite a few boxes of this at Trader Joe's during the Christmas season. I'm not sure if they have it anymore, but this decaf green tea and the candy cane, it's so good. So I'm just going to heat up my water and then have myself some tea, and then gonna call this eating day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming over. If you are coming over from Heather's channel, if you are, be sure to say hi to me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed today's video of my healthy eating on the go all around town. I was not home hardly at all today, but that's just real life, and you can still stay on track when you're doing that. I think I'm gonna be around like 120 ounces of water. That's always a big focus of mine. And you know, I ate a well-balanced, high protein for me diet, and that's the way that I feel the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to continue to see food content, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.